everyone, and welcome to a special AI ToolBox edition of the Deep Dive.
Yeah.
So today's December 31st, 2024.
Wow.
Talk about ending the year with a bang, right?
It's huge.
We are diving into something you are going to want to hear about.
Mm-hmm.
Trust me.
Absolutely.
You might even say it's a game changer
Oh, yeah.
for how we use our devices
Yeah.
every single day.
Like every day.
Okay, so picture this.
Yeah.
You're on your iPhone,
Okay.
your iPad or Mac,
Yeah.
and you want the power of ChatGPT,
Right.
but without the hassle of switching apps.
Ugh. Yeah, I hate that.
Well, guess what?
What?
Apple just made all our wishes come true.
Oh, wow.
They've dropped ChatGPT integration directly into Siri and their writing tools.
No way.
No more jumping around. It's all right there.
That's awesome.
I know, right?
Amazing.
So for those unfamiliar,
Right.
ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful AI.
It is.
Think of it like having a conversation with a super smart computer
Yeah.
that can understand and generate human-like text.
Yeah.
It can answer your questions,
Okay.
write different kinds of creative text formats,
Yeah.
and even translate languages.
Oh, wow.
And now
Right.
Apple has woven this amazing tech into their ecosystem.
That's huge.
That is huge.
Yeah.
We're talking millions of Apple users
So many people.
suddenly having this incredible AI at their fingertips.
Right at their fingertips.
Like Siri just got a massive brain boost
True. Yeah.
over on our show,
Yeah.
AI for the People.
AI for the people.
We're always digging into the nitty-gritty of AI.
All the time.
But here on this deep dive,
Right.
we're giving you the need-to-know info so
Yeah.
you can see how this impacts your life.
That's us trying to help.
What's fascinating to me
Yeah.
is how Apple is emphasizing privacy with this integration.
Oh, that's good.
They're using on-device processing
Okay.
for user data,
Interesting.
meaning your requests and information are processed right there on your device.
Oh, wow.
It's never sent to a central server.
That's great for privacy.
I know, right?
It is.
Okay, so I know some of you are thinking,
Yeah.
privacy, that's great,
Mm-hmm.
but what can I actually do with this?
Right.
Get ready, because this is where it gets exciting.
Okay, I'm ready.
Imagine asking Siri a complex question like,
Oh, yeah.
"Hey Siri, compare and contrast the economic policies of the past 3 presidents."
Whoa.
And boom,
That's a tough one.
you get a detailed, nuanced answer
Wow.
powered by ChatGPT.
Okay.
No more sifting through Google results.
Oh, right.
It's all right there.
Easy.
That's just the beginning.
No, there's more.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Think about this.
All right.
You're writing an email or putting together a presentation
Uh-huh.
and need a visual to really drive your point home.
A picture.
Yeah.
Okay.
With ChatGPT integrated into Apple's writing tools,
Yeah.
you can generate images directly within those apps.
No way.
It's incredible.
That's amazing.
I can already see marketers using this to whip up entire campaigns.
Yeah.
Educators creating personalized learning materials for their students.
Uh-huh.
And developers streamlining their code,
Right.
all thanks to ChatGPT in Siri.
Wow.
It's mind-blowing.
It is.
I know.
So cool.
While the potential is certainly exciting,
yeah.
it's important to remember that this technology is still evolving.
right.
Like with any new tool, there might be a learning curve.
Yeah, that's true.
And we should always be mindful of ChatGPT's limitations
Mm-hmm.
and use it responsibly,
Of course.
especially for critical tasks.
Absolutely.
That's a great point.
It is.
ChatGPT is a powerful tool,
Yeah.
but it's not perfect.
Right.
It's still learning and growing.
Uh-huh.
So critical thinking is key.
Definitely.
But hey,
Yeah.
even with those considerations,
Right.
it's hard not to get swept up in the excitement.
It is really exciting.
This integration is making
It's
waves.
huge waves.
Absolutely. Social media is buzzing with excitement.
I've seen that.
And major figures in the AI world,
Oh, yeah.
like Andrew Jan, are praising its seamless integration and user-friendliness.
It's so easy to use.
People calling it a quantum leap
Yeah, quantum leap.
in AI development.
Absolutely.
I've been seeing that too.
Me too.
Hashtags like ChatGPT Siri are trending everywhere.
They are everywhere.
And you know what?
Right.
This level of buzz makes sense.
It does.
Bringing the power of ChatGPT
Yeah.
to millions of Apple devices
To the
in
masses.
such an accessible way.
I know.
That's something worth talking about.
Totally what talking
It's
about.
really interesting
It is.
to compare this integration to standalone ChatGPT
Oh, yeah.
or even Google's Gemini.
Right.
While each tool has its strengths,
Uh-huh.
Apple's focus on privacy and user-friendliness gives them a unique edge.
For sure.
They've managed to make this cutting-edge AI accessible and intuitive for everyone.
That's their goal.
Exactly. And on AI for the people,
Yep.
we're always comparing different tools
We love to do that.
to see what works best in different situations.
Yeah. Yeah, different strokes for different folks.
This new integration from Apple is definitely going to shake things up.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
You know what I find most exciting?
What?
Is how this integration really blurs the line
Oh, yeah.
between human and machine interaction.
It's getting blurry.
It's becoming so seamless,
Yeah.
so intuitive.
Totally.
It's like we're stepping into a whole new era of technology
Like the Jetsons.
where AI is just there,
Yeah.
helping us in ways we haven't even imagined yet.
It's incredible.
And that's what we love to explore on AI for the people.
Me too?
The possibilities,
Yeah.
the potential,
Mhm.
and the impact AI has on our lives.
That's what we're all about. Yeah, it really makes you wonder what's next.
Yeah.
For AI assistants like Siri,
Yeah,
will they become our go-to for everything?
it's possible.
I mean, imagine a world where you can just have a natural conversation with your device.
Right.
Asking it to do complex tasks, generate creative content,
Yeah.
and learn and adapt to your needs.
Learn and adapt.
It's both fascinating and a little bit daunting, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty wild. And it makes you wonder, with all this power at our disposal, how will it change how we work,
Oh, yeah.
learn, and even interact with each other?
It's true.
It's mind-boggling, but also incredibly exciting.
Yeah.
And speaking of exciting, if you want to experience this firsthand, you absolutely can.
Yes, you can.
All you need to do is update your Apple devices
That's right.
to the latest software versions.
Keep those devices updated.
iOS 18.2, iPadOS 18.2, or macOS Sequoia 15.2.
Gotta stay current.
Seriously, update your devices and give it a try.
Yeah, just try it out.
Ask Siri a complicated question. Try generating an image right in your Notes app.
Yeah, do all that stuff.
I think you'll be amazed by what you can do.
Yeah,
It's like having a super-powered research assistant at your beck and call,
right there in your pocket.
able to sift through mountains of information and deliver you the key insights in seconds.
Exactly.
I know I'm already geeking out over here.
Same.
And for those of you who are loving this deep dive into the world of AI, you'll definitely want to check out our show,
Oh, yeah.
AI for the People.
Mad for the people.
We go even deeper into the latest AI developments, breaking down complex concepts
Let's break it down.
and making them easy to understand.
That's right.
We even do fun comparisons like we did today, pitting different AI tools against each other to see which one comes out on top.
We love those comparisons.
It's a lot of fun.
We're all about making AI accessible to everyone, regardless of your technical background.
Right.
We believe that understanding AI is crucial in today's world, and we want to help you navigate
We do.
this exciting and rapidly changing landscape. So if you're curious about AI, want to stay ahead of the curve,
Yeah,
and maybe even have a few laughs along the way, come join us on AI for the People.
that's right.
We release new episodes regularly,
Yeah.
packed with insightful analysis, real-world examples, and thought-provoking discussions.
We'd love to hear your thoughts on this groundbreaking new tool from Apple. What are your first impressions? How do you envision using it in your own life?
Yeah, tell us.
Head over to our social media and let's chat.
Yeah, let's chat. Come on.
Exactly. Share your thoughts in the comments below or connect with us on social media. We're always eager to hear from our listeners and engage in meaningful conversations about the future of AI.
We love that.
And be sure to follow us at AI for the People to stay up to date on all the latest AI news insights and, of course, our show.
All the good stuff.
This is just the tip of the iceberg, folks.
It is.
The world of AI is constantly evolving, and we're here to guide you through it every step of the way.
We are your guides.
The future of AI is full of possibilities, and we can't wait to explore it with you.
So many possibilities.
Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep diving deep into the world of AI.
Keep on diving.
See you in the next episode. Yeah, it's going to be wild.
It is a wild world of AI.
But that's what makes it so exciting.
Yeah, the possibilities are pretty much endless.
And who knows what incredible innovations await us just around the corner.
Who knows? That's the fun part.
I can't wait to see what the brilliant minds in AI come up with next.
Yeah, me too. But for now,
Yeah.
if you're eager to dive deeper into the world of AI, we'd love for you to join us on AI for the People.
That's right. We'll be back with more fascinating deep dives, insightful discussions, and of course, plenty of AI fun.
Yeah, come hang out with us.
Until then, keep those brains buzzing and stay curious.
Stay curious out there.